नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली IAS में। और आज तारीख है 15 जून 2023। दोस्तों, आज हम एनालिसिस करेंगे द हिंदू का क्विक एनालिसिस, क्विक रिव्यू। एंड बट बिफोर दैट, इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. Okay, so let's move without any delay. On the front page, this news: Gujarat on alert with the cyclone Biparjoy. It is a good example that government already prepared. Preparation is so much good. We can put it as an example in GS3, disaster management. Nearly 70,000 people have shifted before the disaster itself. Nothing is important on this page, neither on this, nor on this, neither on this. And on this paper, Tamil Nadu withdraw general consent granted to CBI. What happened now? CBI have general consent from the other states. Some states withdraw their consent due to sometime political reason. Okay, so now what will happen, how it will impact? Now CBI will have to seek prior permission from the Tamil Nadu for investigation. Okay, and it's for prelims perspective, it is important that CBI need to have general consent for prior general consent for doing any investigation in that state. If it doesn't have any general consent, then first it should take a prior permission for any investigation in that state. Nothing is important on this page. So this is editorial, aspirants favorite page. The next finance commission will have tough task. This government will appoint finance commission in next few months. Okay, what is the role of finance commission? Finance commission determines how much of center's tax revenue should be given away to states. Suppose this is India and these are 28 states. So how much should be given to states? And parallelly it also determine, this is vertical distribution. Okay, and how much should be given to different states? This is called horizontal distribution. Okay, previously during 21st finance commission, central government already giving 41% of its share to states of its tax revenue. 41% of tax revenue, whatever tax is collected, central government gives to state. And this finance commission, new 22nd finance commission, have some tough task. First task is like, as you can see, population 2011 census data, taking it as a base. Reason being, some states have done better. They have controlled their population, so it becomes punishment for that states, penalty for the good performance. Okay, because if they use this census data. Second big challenge in front of that is bee culture, free bee culture. Okay, so this is talking about this. We will read about it more when it will submit its report. Now, integrated child development scheme. As you know, India is not performing good in terms of stunting, wasting and anemia among children. So we need to improve on that, and for that, one of the starting point can be empower the Anganwadi workers. Okay, by the schemes like you can say this Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0. These are the schemes which can be useful for that purpose. Now second news is Ukraine-Russia war fallout. One of the fallout is recession, especially in Eurozone, and which affect ultimately whole world. Okay, so recession is one of the fallout. Next news article is transgenic crop in India. Basically these on different crops like brinjal, tomato, maize, chicken pea, they are at different stages of experimentation. So similarly, a new experimentation, first stage has clearance for the first stage has been given to this cotton variety. Okay, GEAC, Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, has given first set of permission for the Cry2AI, which makes cotton resistant to pinkworm. Okay, so this is Hyderabad based Bioseed Research India. Okay, this is the institute which has developed this seeds, cotton seed, Cry2AI. And yes, so it is right now only in experimentation state, not implemented all over India. Only one crop is allowed in India, one genetic engineering, that is BT cotton. Okay, so now this next news article is, why did government impose ceiling on wheat stock? Basically what happened recently, government has imposed some ceiling on wheat stock. You are very well aware that this is to stabilize the price of the wheat and steadily supply of the commodity. One interesting thing is, estimated production during 2022 is 1100 lakh ton, approximate 1100 lakh ton. Okay, so here is this. Law Commission seek fresh input on Uniform Civil Code. 22nd Law Commission is going to plan Uniform Civil Code, so it seek fresh input. And so this was today's main news articles, and hope you like it, and please subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any important information. It gives me motivation to make more video, and not just more video, to make high quality video which will ensure selection in UPSC. So if you will subscribe it, it will give me more motivation to make good quality videos, okay, which will be helpful for clearing this exam. Thank you.